Hi everyone, here's a video for this set. On the middle finger there I've done a nail wand, which I followed a tutorial by one of my favourite nail girls, Nailed by Lucy. She's just got a YouTube channel, so I'll leave a link for her channel and stuff in the description box for this video. So I'm not going to talk to you about how I do that because I think you should go and watch her tutorial. But essentially I'm just, I've already got like a thin clear base down on these, and I'm just adding some white acrylic where I'm gonna add some transfer foil. So I've done that and I'm just creating a little smile line here. I'm using my Nailed by Lucy size 12 brush, and I think that this colour pink is called Plush by Glitterbells. And I'll try and link as much as I can in the description box in terms of products. If there's anything I've not linked, it might be because it's just like, if I've got it off of AliExpress, like my transfer gel that I'm using, I got that off of AliExpress ages ago. You can really easily find it. You just type in like foil transfer gel and loads will come up. But so if I haven't linked stuff like that, that's why. So I'm just adding my transfer foil gel now to the white parts of the nail, and then I'm curing it for 120 seconds because I want it to be really, really sticky, because I'm trying to get like quite a full coverage look with the foil that I'm putting down. So even though I cured it for 120 seconds, I was having trouble with this foil, so you'll see me sort of struggling. That's why I've really sort of like sped it up. I have done it before where I've cured it for 120 seconds and I just put the foil on and it just peels off, and like completely, you get a completely like clean lift of the transfer. But I don't know if it was the type of foil that I was using. It's the first time that I've used this foil before, so I don't know if it's the type of foil, but you know how these things are, it's a bit of trial and error. So I'm just kind of trying to match up the gaps as best as I can where it's lifted off and not completely taken. And now I'm covering the transfer foil in my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. But I like to do this if I'm doing encapsulated stuff, just because it's a really thick no wipe top coat. I think I've mentioned that in a previous video, and it's cheap as chips as well. I did buff that top coat after it cured, but I did that off camera and I cut it out of the video for some reason. But it cured for 60 seconds and then I buffed it with just gently with a little buffer to make it matte. And now I'm just coming in with my Colour Pink just to put an ombre over some of those nails. And now I'm just going to encapsulate all of the nails with my clear acrylic, and I'll file off camera when I'm done, and I'll meet you back for some crystal placement. So I'll just let you watch this bit in peace. start filling up my wand now. I'm not gonna talk to you about how I did all this because you should go and watch Lucy's video, so I'll leave a link to her channel. I'm just putting in some little crystal pixies in there, just using a little like triangular tray to tip them in because it's quite a small hole. And I'm just going to quickly show you what it's looking like so far. So there's the crystals moving around. I'm just quickly buffing over where I top coated just because I'm going to put my crystals down. So I'm quickly putting down some point backs with some acrylic at the top of the wand just to cover where that seal area is. And then I'm going to put some flat backs down on this nail and the other nails using my glitter bells basically. And then I'm going to finish off with some matte top coat. So I'm going to leave you to finish watching the video. I've left a clip at the end of the finished look. Let me know what you think of this set. Let me know if you've already tried Lucy's wand. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.